In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ClickUp for real estate CRM. ClickUp is a versatile project management tool that can be customized for just about any workflow, including managing your real estate business. Whether you're tracking leads, scheduling viewings, or monitoring closed deals, ClickUp can help you stay organized and efficient. If you're new to ClickUp or need a better way to manage your real estate CRM, this step-by-step guide will walk you through setting up a workspace tailored to your needs. Let's get started. First, open ClickUp and navigate to your home dashboard. This is where you'll see an overview of your tasks, projects, and spaces. Once you're there, locate the left side panel here. You'll see a list of all your projects and spaces. Hover over the name of the project or space where you want to create your real estate CRM. When you hover over the project or space name, you'll notice 3 small dots appear to the right of it. Click on those dots to open the options menu. This menu contains several choices, but for this tutorial, you'll want to select the one labeled Template. Once you click on Template, a search box will appear in this box. Type the words real estate and press Enter. This will bring up a variety of pre-built templates specifically designed for real estate workflows. Take a moment to review the available options. Scroll through the list of templates to find one that best suits your workflow. Each template is slightly different, so look for one that includes the features you need, like sections for leads, follow-ups, and closed deals. When you found the perfect match for your business, click Use Template. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a unique name for your CRM workspace. Choose a name that makes it easy to identify, especially if you manage multiple spaces in ClickUp. Once you've named your workspace, it's time to customize the template. This is where you can adjust the template to fit your unique needs. You can edit fields, rename sections, or tweak the status options to match your specific workflow. For example, you might want to add a custom field for property types, or change the status labels to align with your sales process. When you're happy with your customizations, click Use Template again. This final step will create your real estate CRM, and your new workspace will appear in the left side panel. Now that your CRM is set up, take some time to explore it. You'll see sections like leads, viewings, follow-ups, and closed deals. These areas are designed to help you organize your clients and properties efficiently. If you find that the template still needs a few tweaks, feel free to edit it further. You can add additional custom fields, modify existing ones, or even set up automations to streamline repetitive tasks. ClickUp's flexibility allows you to tailor the workspace as much as you need. If you don't already have a ClickUp account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. And that's it. Your real estate CRM is now ready to use in ClickUp, helping you manage your business more effectively. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.